Children, welcome to this video. Today we will keep interesting figures in front of the mirror and look at them and discuss the dotted line. It will be a lot of fun.
Dadaji, come let us play something.
Come, Pinku. Let us play a game with the help of a mirror today.
With the help of a mirror? How, Dadaji?
Pinku, can you fold this picture into two equal parts?
Yes, Dadaji, I can do it.
Wow, Pinku, you have folded it correctly. Now open this paper and tell me if you see a line formed due to folding.
Yes, Dadaji. And this line is dividing this letter into two halves.
How did you find it?
Dadaji, this is very easy. With the help of this line, we had folded this picture and it looked exactly half. The left half has covered the right half completely.
Well done, Pinku. Now just put this mirror on this dotted line and see what happens.
Oh wow, Dadaji, this picture is complete. Now I see the entire letter A in it. Dadaji, this is a lot of fun. Now I will fold this letter the same way and see it in the mirror. Dadaji, this is a miracle. Now it has been divided into two equal halves. The top half has completely covered the bottom half.
Now keep a mirror on this dotted line and see.
By placing a mirror along with this line, I can see the whole picture.
Okay, now look at the picture of this butterfly. Can you divide this picture in half?
Yes, Dadaji, like this.
Well done, Pinku. Keep the mirror and see if the whole picture can be recreated.
Yes, Dadaji, I saw the whole picture as soon as the mirror was placed.
Pinku, now you play this mirror game with these letters too.
Okay, Dadaji.
Children, all of you also write some letters on paper and divide it into half. Keep a mirror and see. Dear children, you must have had a lot of fun with the mirror game and must have learned a lot too. Do you know that this game can be played with any picture, not just the letters? The image formed on the mirror is called the mirror image. And a line that divides a picture into two equal parts is called a point line. In the next video, we will see this game played with even more fun pictures. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Children, welcome to this video. So far, we have seen many pictures on the mirror by placing the mirror on the dotted line. In this video, we will see some more examples. Hey, Pinku, you seem to be enjoying with the mirror. Come, look at this picture carefully and tell where the mirror should be placed on it so that this flower can be seen completely on the mirror.
Dadaji, for this we will place the mirror along this line and it will look something like this.
Pinku, look. Does this picture look like the picture made on the paper?
Yes, Dadaji.
Pinku, look at this paper carefully and think, where else can you place the mirror so that half the flower is made on the mirror? Children, you also try and find out.
Dadaji, if we keep the mirror here, half of the flower will come on the mirror. Look, Dadaji, we can place the mirror here too. And there are many places like here and here and here too.
That's right, Pinku. Wow, Pinku, you have found all the places very well. Well done, Pinku. Now look at this picture carefully. Now can you tell where to place the mirror so that you can see such a picture on the mirror?
Dadaji, this is very easy. The dotted line will be at this place and look something like this on the mirror.
Well done, Pinku. Well, can you draw a dotted line on this picture and look in the mirror to find out whether it is divided into equal parts or not?
Dadaji, for this picture, we will place the mirror on top of this line and we will see a similar picture.
You answered this correctly. Can you draw a dotted line on this picture and look at it in the mirror to find out whether we can divide it into equal parts or not?
Dadaji, I will be able to do it this time too. In this picture, when we place the mirror above this line, then we will get such a picture.
You answered this correctly too. Now draw a dotted line on this picture in such a way that half of it is visible on the mirror.
Oh, Dadaji, this is a chessboard. I need to think a little about it.
If you want, you can pause the video here and give it a try.
I found it, Dadaji. Let's see this. In this picture, when we place the mirror above this line, then we will get such a picture.
Well done, Pinku. Now tell me whether we can place the mirror on some other line. Children, you also find and tell.
Yes, Dadaji. See this.
Well done, Pinku. You have answered all the questions correctly. Take your reward. Dear children, till now you have seen some examples and understood that if we place the mirror on the correct dotted line, then even the incomplete pictures are visible to us. And it is not necessary that the dotted line is always vertical, it can also be diagonal. This is where we end this video. In the next video, we will discuss some common mistakes related to it. Thank you. Friends, welcome to this video. So far we have seen some examples with Pinku. Now we will see the picture seen in the mirror with Pinku and some common mistakes related to the dotted line. Pinku, till now you have seen so many pictures. Now I want to ask you some more questions. Will you be able to answer?
Yes, Dadaji. I will answer all the questions very easily.
Okay, Pinku. Then tell me, where will you draw the dotted line in this picture? By putting the mirror on one half, we can see the whole picture.
Dadaji, in this picture, we can draw the dotted line in this way.
Okay, Pinku. Now place the mirror in this place and see what is made.
Dadaji, it looks a little strange. When I face the mirror to the left, such a picture was made. And when turned it to the right side, it became like this. Why did this happen, Dadaji?
Because, Pinku, You drew the wrong dotted line. The correct dotted line will look something like this. Take this, Pinku. Now you see it in the mirror.
Yes, Dadaji. Now it is divided into two equal halves.
Pinku, always keep in mind that there is a different dotted line for every image. Pinku, look at this cartoon. Now place the mirror in such a way that both hands of this cartoon should be up in this way. If you want, you can pause the video here and think.
Dadaji, this cartoon is very interesting. But how can both its hands be up? It has one hand up and one hand down, Dadaji.
Pinku, look carefully. If you place the mirror on this line and face the mirror to the right, you will get such a picture.
I'll keep the mirror once and see. Dadaji, both hands are up.
Pinku, can you now put both its hands down like this?
Yes, Dadaji. This time only the mirror has to face to the left and such a picture will be seen.
Dear children, till now you have seen how pictures change in front of the mirror. And you also learned that a dotted line is not always a vertical line. This line can be horizontal also. Now look at these pictures and tell, where should we place the mirror on this picture so that the following pictures could be seen? Till now you have seen how changing the place of the mirror changes the picture, and also learned to recognize the correct dotted line. Hope you have learned many things from Pinku's mistakes. And now you know about this subject very well. With this video ends here. Thank you.